One of the main issues a new user will have when working with their heated nozzle accessory is that their silicone sock will have all 4 sides on it, little lips meant to hold in the nozzle. You have to remove the back one so that when in place, the heated nozzle can be completely level with the top and the needle can still fit out from beneath. If this is not done, then this entire piece moves down a bit and effectively blocks you while you're printing. It can knock over your own object and ruin the print. To do this, we remove the back lip, the one with no holes on the side it's attached to. Just clip it off the back and clean it up. Another key issue a new user might have is they may forget to leave the reservoir fully tightened. And if it's loose and the bottom piece is tightened, this may spin and it will wrap up the entire heated nozzle. It could possibly tear and or break any electrical connections. So always make sure, just write it out in the correct position as before, and fully tighten the reservoir mounts on the far side. Make sure that no matter how much you're pulling or pushing on it with this engine up top, that the Krakatoa, Emo, or any other engine mount is not going to let this reservoir spin and pull the heated nozzle out of place.